Hi everyone, I got a new box in from Bulq and I wanted to open this up to show you guys the contents and everything of it. One of the things that made me want to buy this box is it had a lot of the same items in it. So with something like that, let's say if I have 5 items of the same, I can list it as one item. And for example, if I'm putting it on eBay, that would be one fee, one listing fee. Of course, I'd have to sell, I'd have to pay the seller fees and everything on all the items I sell. But other than that, that's one item you list. So, if it's 35 cents an item, that's 35 cents one time. So that's one of the things that, made me want to buy this box. And I liked a lot of the items in it. So let's go right into the unboxing. Let's see what we got. Okay, so let's see what kind of goodies we got in this box. Over here, so I'm covering it. Put these sides down. Okay, so one of the big reasons I got this box here is because it had a lot of the same items, and that's really going to help me out when I do my listings. And the same items seem to be really good, so we're going to see what we got in here. So let's see what we got here. So we got a Zac Storm, brand new item, never been opened, sealed. We have a Animal Adventure little turtle. Put this stuff over here. Now this is one of the items where we should have, I think there's 3 of these. These are Wonder Woman headdress and armbands. There's one of those. Here's another one. And these are brand new. These have never been opened. They're sealed, factory sealed. Very nice. Despicable Me, little Phil, brand new package, never been opened. Here's another Zac Storm. This is a Skullver, I think it's called. Sealed, never been opened. So that's 2 of those, and I should have some more of those in here. Here's one. This is Klaus. I think it's Klaus or Clovis. Sealed package. You got a little kids' spoons and forks, 4 of them. 4 each, 4 forks and 4 spoons. Brand new packaging. Okay, there's 3 kids' plates here. Now this package has been opened, so I definitely can't sell it as new. I'll sell it as an open box item. Here we have Star Wars, Kylo Ren, brand new, sealed package, never been opened, excellent shape. And there's more of that in one of those. Here's a Unicorn Slimy Good. This is an open box. I'll have to open it up and see it, make sure everything's in it. Move to the side. Here's another one of these Kylo Ren Star Wars figures, sealed in a box, and there's more of them in here. Another one, and like I said, these are really going to help me whenever I go to put these up for sale. If I put them up on eBay, I could sell them as, instead of spending money on more than one auction, I can put one auction up there and say, 3 or 4 included. I can't remember how many's in here. There's 3. Let's see. 4. Looks like I got 6 of them here. So here's another one. Again, sealed packaging, never opened. And they'll be sold as brand new items, never opened. Here's another one. I'll be able to, I think I am going to put these out on eBay. If I do, like I said, this is going to be one listing, so I only have to pay listing for one fee. One listing fee for this. So I'll probably put these up there on eBay, definitely. Or, I don't know, I might even put them out on Amazon. Not sure if I'll be allowed to sell those on Amazon now. Right here, another one of these Wonder Woman headdresses and armbands. Brand new, unopened box. So that's 3 of the armbands. I got a Barbie here, ballet instructor. Now you can tell this has been opened, it's retaped. So I'll have to sell this as an open box item. But it looks like it's in really good shape. But I'll have to sell it as unboxed. So. Here's another Zach Storm. Kroger. I'm sure I'm butchering these guys' names, but these are, like I said, they're unopened, brand new items, sealed in the box. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Now they're one of the Kylo Rens, so brand new, unused, unopened. Yeah, so that makes me have 3, 4. I got 7 Kylo Rens. So here's 4 of them here, and I got 3 more here. So if I can pick all Kylo's up, here's all 7 of these guys. Nice. 1 listing, 7 items, and I'm going to do a video on it out there. I want to show you how I list these guys too. We'll have to put a really good description out there. Okay. Oh, whoa. I thought, I didn't think there was that many of these, but number 8. So I got 8 Kylo Rens now. 1 listing, 8 items. Here we got a, what's this guy? Elite Praetorian Guard. Unused, brand new item. Guy's got a little sword here. And I know there's more than one of those. I believe there's 3. Let's see here. Yeah, here's number 2. Same thing. This package is just perfect for this box. And this is an unexpected return too. So, and there's number 3. So we got 3 of these guys. 3 of the guards. And the packaging's the same for all 3 of them. They're all brand new, unused. So they'll be sold as brand new items. 1 listing, 3 items. We got a vegetable garden kit here. It does have a little rip in it. Doesn't look like it was ever used, but I'll have to sell this as an open box item. Nice little box it comes in. It's a farmer's market box. That's a nice little gift for little kids. We want to, like their parents working in the garden or something. Another Zach Storm. And another Zach Storm. So you got Kroger, Carambra. And let's see if there's any more of these in here. No, it doesn't look like there's any more of these, but we have 2, 3. Just let me make a little shelf here. There's 3 of these. There's 3 more. So there's 6 of these. Again, this is 1 listing for 6 items. So you got 1 listing fee here. And like I said, I'm gonna do a video out there when I gotta list these to show you exactly how I'll put them out there. And we'll have to come up with a nice description and everything for them. Okay, let's see. Let's put these over here. That's good. Let's see what else we got. We got Diana Prince and Hidden Sword. This is Wonder Woman. Box has some damage to it, so I can indicate that it has some shelf wear, but it's still sealed. It's never been opened, so I'll indicate, you know, there is some shelf wear to this item here. But other than that, it's a brand new item. Wonder Woman. And there's 2 of those. Again, here we go. 1 listing, 2 items. Of course, you'll have your seller fees and everything on that if you put it on eBay. But other than that, I mean, you know, they're good items. This one here has some damage to it. You can see the tape's off a bit, so I might have to sell him. Probably have to sell him as an open box item. But another Wonder Woman. So we got 2 Wonder Womans now. Okay, let's see what other goodies we got. We got the matching game. The matching game by PJ Masks. Does look like it may have been open. I'll have to check it out, make sure the contents and everything are in here. I'll sell it as an open box item. You know, other than that, I mean, this is a really good box. Crazy Aaron's Hyper Colors. Thinking Putty, Chameleon. Box has some damage to it. Looks like it was retaped here. So I'll have to sell it as an open box item. Here we have Invincible Iron Man by Marvel Legends. Brand new, unopened. And this is a really good box. I'm really happy with this one. Captain Jack. It's a little purse. Still has the tags on it. It has little ears and a little nose on it. And we got, is this the same one? No, this is a bigger guy. Looks like about a 6-inch figure. So another Marvel Iron Man. Brand new. Never been opened, unused. So we got 2 Iron Men here. And let's see what else we got. Marvel Legends, Star-Lord. Brand new. Brand new packaging. Sold as a new item. Perfect. Here we have a Cyborg belt and blast pack. Cyborg. It's like a little belt kids wear. I have like a little gun on it, looks like. Whole thing here, it shoots these, it looks like. But again, brand new. Never open box. There is a bend to the box in here, but this is a brand new item. And that's pretty much about it. That's our box. I'm really happy with this box, especially now I'll be able to put these items up. Like I said, this is one listing fee, and I got all these items. Look at that. 8 of these. So we got 8 of these guys. We got 8 of them. This guard, we got 3 of them. And Wonder Woman headdress, we got 3 of those. And also we got the 2 Wonder Womans. And then we have the Zack Storms. So that's pretty much it. That's my box. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments section, and I'll get back to you. Thanks again. Have a great day.